Welcome back to Flowing Mobility Tai Chi. And in this lesson, I'm going to teach you the Tai Chi Walk. And the Tai Chi Walk is used for many of the forms that we are going to learn. If you get this movement down with your legs, then we'll be able to put it together much easier. Let's go ahead and get in our Tai Chi stance. And I want you to weight shift to your left leg and swing your leg in and then out. So I liken it to a Charlie Chaplin walk. So just sort of have fun with it, be almost ridiculous with it, but keep your principles of vertical alignment and sitting down on that Tai Chi stance. So once again, you're just swinging your legs in and out, in and out. Just let them be loose and flexible, hardly any muscle activation at all. And one more time, swing and swing and swing and swing and swing. There we go. Now when we normally walk, we have a real narrow base, but in Tai Chi we don't want a narrow base because we can get toppled over a lot easier. We want a nice wide base. All right, so now we're going to apply this to our walking, our Tai Chi walk. So let's go ahead and get shoulder width apart and weight shift to your left, swing that right foot in and out. So it's about a foot width in front. In other words, you're not reaching too far forward. You're reaching to the side and about a foot width in front. Then weight shift forward onto that foot. Your heel is down in the back. And then weight shift back. And here is where we connect our toe to our dantian, to our nose. And I want you to turn that to your 1030. And then weight shift onto that left leg and bring your right foot forward into what we call an empty stance, which means there's no weight on it, although it is touching the ground. Again, my dantian to 1030. Now we swing our dantian to 12 o'clock, our foot comes out. Toe is pointed towards 12 o'clock. Weight shift forward, weight shift back. Bring up your toe just a little bit, not too far, and attach toe to dantian to nose and turn to your 130. And weight shift and take what we call a follow step into an empty stance on that left foot. Dantian is facing towards your 130. And then we sink down onto that left leg, swing the foot to 12 o'clock. Make sure you have plenty of distance. Weight shift forward, heel down and back. Weight shift back, toe up, turn nose, dantian, toes, all at one time to your 1030. Weight shift forward, empty stance. Notice my dantian is turned towards my corner. Then I turn the dantian and my foot swings out like that Charlie Chaplin walk. Toe is to 12 o'clock. Make sure you're not already toed out. 12 o'clock. Weight shift forward, heel down and back, body upright. Weight shift back. Turn the toe to your opposite corner, weight shift, and follow step. And let's do another one. So we open the dantian, swing the foot out, just like our Charlie Chaplin walk. Weight shift forward towards 12 o'clock, weight shift back, toes, nose, dantian, all moves at one time. Do not over-rotate here. Puts too much strain on your leg. Just to the corner, weight shift, and shoulder width apart, and stand up. Okay, let's try that again. So we start facing 12 o'clock, weight shift to your left, swing that leg out, toes to 12 o'clock, weight shift forward, weight shift back. Turn the toe to the corner, weight shift, follow step. Swing the foot out to 12 o'clock, weight shift forward, weight shift back, toes, nose, dantian, all moving as one unit. Don't over rotate. Weight shift forward. Follow step. 12 o'clock. Weight shift forward. Weight shift back. Turn. And follow step. Swing it to 12 o'clock. Weight shift forward. Weight shift back. Turn. And follow step. 12 o'clock, weight shift forward, weight shift back, turn, and we'll go shoulder width apart and stand up. So you should be facing your right corner. I think I've been saying the times backwards for your reference, but I believe you have the idea. So it will be your right corner, which would be 130. And now, let's just do it nice and fluidly and smoothly. Sit down on your windowsill, weight shift to your left. Swing the foot out, but not too far forward. Weight shift forward, back, turn the dantian, weight shift, follow step. 12 o'clock, right here, your dantian, 12 o'clock. Turn, just 20 degrees is plenty, and follow step. 12 o'clock. Turn, follow step. 12 o'clock. Turn your left corner, 10:30. One more, 12 o'clock. Turn your right corner and shoulder width apart and standing up. So you see that throughout this nice Tai Chi walk that we're simply swinging the dantian from our 12 o'clock to our 1:30, 12 o'clock, 10:30, just back and forth. And this will be true of our Tai Chi, our Yang Tai Chi form set. When we put the arms to it, it's the same movement with our dantian and our feet. And that will come in the next lesson. So thank you for joining me in Flowing Mobility Tai Chi, and please practice your Tai Chi walk. And for all of my lessons, I recommend that you practice with the video and then you turn the video off, go to another room and see how much you can do on your own. Because your Tai Chi won't become yours until you can do it independent of watching a video or an instructor. So good luck to you, and I can't wait to share the next lesson with you. Thank you very much.